Haha, I finally finished! Hey everybody, welcome to the Happy Harvest Homestead. You are looking at what has been for me days and days of very difficult, hard labor working to build this meat rabbit tractor fortress. As you can see, it's huge and impenetrable, both for predators and for our crazy dog Roxy. And obviously it's rabbit proof as well. I just finished the final touches, and it's now ready for some inhabitants. If you can believe it, this entire thing was built out of scrap that we already had lying around. It's kind of rough. I had to use different gauges and sizes of wire. This is 1x2, and this is, I believe, 1x1, and I had to connect them together. And there's several spots where everything isn't picture perfect. But from a very amateur builder, building just from scrap, this entire thing, I think, looks pretty good. I kept the core design I really like with all my rabbit tractors, but this one's just on a huge scale. We have other tractors, but I've been using them for so many years that they're kind of starting to fall apart, so I'm going to have to, revamp them anyways. And last year we had issues with having so many rabbits in one tractor that they would eat all the grass, and I'd have to move them 5 times a day for them to get enough nutrition. So for this big boy, though, that's not going to be a problem. We still have a little covered area with a little off-the-ground solid wood place, and it's still a big triangle shape, which is goat-proof. If it was a square, the goats would get on top, and the roof would start bending and stuff, but triangles are goat-proof. And this log is a bit much. It definitely doesn't need to be this big, but better safe than sorry, you know. The only thing I changed from this setup from the other one is instead of having a door open this way, I have it open this way. So because it's so big, I can actually fit in here to grab rabbits, and I can squeeze myself through this door. So it'll be a lot better than the previous setup I have for smaller tractors. Okay, I've been waiting for this moment for so long that now finally at 7 o'clock at night, I get to move it to pasture and put all our baby boy rabbits in here together. So all of the boys have been in cages since they were born, and usually by this point I would have moved them out to grass, because while they were born in the wintertime when grass wasn't growing, it's now well past spring. And as you saw a minute ago, the grass is very much growing now, but I just didn't have any good tractors for them, so they've been on hay and little bits of plants here and there, getting them used to eating it. And now, they get to come with me. With so many rabbits to move, this is my favorite way of transporting them. Come here. 3, and number... Oh! Come here, little guy. You're the last one. Number 7. Whoa, number 7. I know it's scary. I know it's so scary, don't worry. Alright. I wonder if I could just make one big trip. We have to add, in addition to these 7, we need their half-brothers. These 4. All the girls in this litter are in the colony now as breeders, but we don't need any more boy breeders, so they get to be meat in the tractor. Okay. This will definitely require 2 hands, so I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, we're here. Man, those guys are heavy. Can I do this one-handed? Yes, I can. Hooray. Alright. Baby goats, stay out. Whoop! Acrobat son for sure, trying to escape right away. 1, 2, and 11. There we go. Now, I'm losing light fast, but I'm going to try to talk a bit and explain. These rabbits are from 2 different litters. While they are half-brothers, they've never met each other before. And they're all boys, which means as they get older, they may start fighting for dominance, and as they start sexually maturing. They are of 2 different ages, and I put way more rabbits in here than probably ideally should be in here. But as you saw, this is my only tractor I have built. So over the next few days, one of my many, many other projects is going to be building more tractors. Some big for lots of rabbits, and then some regular size, or I guess now they're called small, for individual breeders, like our backup breeding buck. But for now, one is you're just going to have to do. It's very big. These rabbits are still kind of young, so they'll be okay for a while. They have unlimited food. They have a hidey house shelter that they can jump up. It'll take them a bit to learn, but it's supposed to be nice and warm tonight, and I don't think it's supposed to rain. I'm going to sign off for tonight. See y'all in the morning. I need to get them a bowl of water, and that's it. Oh, I am exhausted, and I have to milk the goats. And I just kind of want to bask in this, though. I'm so proud of myself for finally getting this done. I've been meaning to do this for months, and it's finally finished. All right, it's the next morning. Let's see how they did. Did you like your first night on grass? There's definitely some pulled fur from fights, and some of them are up there, so that's good. Most of them are over down here. You ready to be moved for the first time? Oh, I have to get little hooks to actually pull it. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my little pulling contraption set up, so let's see how this goes. It worked! I did it! The rabbits, this is their first time being moved in a tractor, so they freaked out a bit. But look, immediately, they're so happy to have new stuff to eat. Let's compare. So, this is where they ate, just like last night. Can you see the difference? This is where they haven't been, and this is where they have been. There's poop everywhere. It's all eaten down. That's exactly what we want. Both fertilizer and lawnmower in the same thing. Okay, so now that these guys are not living in cages anymore, the cages they used to live in are now unoccupied and ready for some new residents. And those new residents are going to be Sylvan, the French Angora buck, who is currently living in the gray tractor, and then Nameless Bunny, man, I need to name him, who's going to be our eventual breeder once he grows up a little bit more, who's now in the green small tractor. They're going to go to cages, then we can take the tractors out of the garden, so I can take them apart and get them livable again, so we can have lots of big tractors, lots of little tractors, and plenty of space available for all the future litters we have. So let's get moving. Alright, everything is done. All the rabbits are moved. Everybody's enjoying their new spaces, especially these little babies. You boys so pretty and cute. I have to weigh these guys sometime soon. You're getting so big. It feels so good to have accomplished something hard and have the final product be so good. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.